Song number 29, Clouds of Many Colors. This song introduces our new note, F sharp. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to talk about how it's written on the staff. So we already know our notes D, which is that middle line, and E, which is the space right above it. F is the next to top line. So it's the line goes right through his head, and it's the next to top one. So this is the note F. This little hashtag tic-tac-toe looking thing is called a sharp. This note together, when we add this plus this, it's called F sharp. Now, there is a different note that's just plain F. We just haven't learned to play it yet. The way it works easiest for everybody to learn all at the same time is to learn F sharps first. So, we will learn all about why it's called F sharp and all that kind of stuff later on, but for now, you're just going to have to take my word for it and know that this is an F sharp. Now, funny thing with sharps, when you have a sharp, it lasts for the entire measure. So a measure is the space between bar lines. This is a bar line, one of those straight up and down lines. So I have a sharp on this note, so this note is F sharp. I don't have one here, but the rule is the sharp lasts for the whole measure. So this one is actually still F sharp. It's just a shortcut way. It makes it less to write, and it makes it less confusing for our eyes than if we had a sharp in front of every single note. Now, that being said, once we hit a bar line and we get to a new measure, the sharp is canceled. So he's like, nope, you can't be sharp anymore. So then if you want the next note to be sharp, you have to rewrite another sharp on the first note. But then this guy is still sharp because he's inside the same measure. So in your music on this song, it's going to look like a note doesn't have the sharp anymore, but it does because it's inside the same measure. All right, let's talk about how to play these notes. So we already know D and E. To play F sharp, we're going to take our third finger, 1, 2, 3, so your ring finger, and he's going to go right on the very next tape. Now 2 will be more comfortable if he just comes down along with him. So we've actually got about the same amount of space between our 1 and our 2, and our 2 and our 3. 4, don't let him hide. He's just going to hang out close to the other fingers. He doesn't like being lonely. Okay, so this is F sharp. So we have D, add 1 finger, we get to E, go to the next tape, and we have F sharp. And in case you were wondering, cellos, I'm going to give you a little secret. If you lift up this finger and just have 2 fingers down, that's that F without a sharp. It's a little more complicated for violins and violas, but for you guys, that's all it is. But right now we're doing F sharp. So for right now, your order of notes is D, E, now add the next 2 fingers, F sharp. All right, and with that, we're ready to try playing our first song. Here we go. Let's go ahead and sing the note names before we play it. Get your pointer finger ready if you need it. 1, 2, ready. Song 29, ready, go. D2, D4, E2, E4, F sharp, 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 E, 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 D2, 3, 4, D2, 3, 4. Very nice. All right, let's get our pizzicato finger ready. Check your left hand shape. It should be that beautiful C shape. Thumb behind. Now we know it's where our second finger was going to land. 1 is ready to press down. 3 is ready to press down. 4 is just hanging out close to his friends. Here we go, starting with D, so no fingers down. 1, 2, ready, play. D2, D4, first finger. E2, E4, third finger. F sharp, 2, F sharp, 4, F sharp, 2, F sharp, 4, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, lift, E,